Let's modeling and texturing a bowling pen in Blender. Let's first start with the shape. Go to front view and reset the rotation. Now add a reference image. Next, add a plane and on edit mode, take a vertex tool and press M, then merge it at center. Now press E to extrude the vertex along the shape of our reference image. Guys, it doesn't have to be perfect, but try to match as best that you can. When done, now add Extrude Modify. Right click and convert it to Mesh. Select the bottom face and scale it on Z by 0. And last, add a subdiv. Now our bowling pin modelization is ready. It's now time to add the material. For the material, we only need these 3 nodes: noise texture, color ramp, and a mix shader. So here is the setting. In noise texture, just change the scale to 14. In color ramp, put this position on white and black color. Now connect the factor of the noise texture to the factor of the color ramp, and color of the color ramp to color A of the mix shader. And last, connect the result of the mix to the base color of the principal BSDF. Last but not least, select this face on edit mode and assign a new material. Last, now change the base color to red, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.